representing Air Force School Bagdogra for School of the Month Challenge organized by Niti Aayog. I have worked on Agritech 3D designing and I would like to show you our idea of high density farming platform version 1. It consists of a hollow cylinder with a curved top and some spiral stairs around the central cylinder. Further, you can see that some circular discs are suspended on the rim of outer cylinder. As the name suggests, this structure will allow farmers to use minimum area of land and cultivate plenty of crops using normal soil as well as hydroponics. You can see that there is slight gradient inside the cylinder which is for rainwater to flow down and get stored in the cylinder for irrigation or hydroponics. So this also helps in rainwater harvesting. The stairs are used by the farmers to climb up to the crop which will be planted on the disc bulging out of the rim, and for maximum utilization of sunlight the outer cylinder will be transparent. This will be totally automatic in case of insect resistant irrigation etc. with the help of natural insecticides such as aromatic flowers, drip irrigation from the source of rainwater in the central dome cylinder. In case of heavy rainfall or drought situations, plants will not be affected directly, causing minimum damage to crops. This is our model that is being printed at the moment. To conclude, I would like to thank my teammate Amit Kumar Mallik, Aryan Suri, my teacher in charge Shalini ma'am and Avijit sir, and also the organizers of School of the Month Challenge. Thank you and Jai Hind.